You sit down to study. Everything is ready. Book open, pen in hand, and suddenly you check your phone. Just 2 minutes. But those 2 minutes turn into 2 hours. And at the end of the day, you feel guilty. You feel stressed. You feel like you're falling behind. If this feels familiar, this video might change your life. You think you're lazy, but you're not. Your brain is simply doing what it was designed to do: avoid pain and seek pleasure. Studying feels hard. Scrolling feels easy. So your brain chooses easy again and again and again. Every time you scroll, watch reels, or switch apps, your brain gets a reward. That reward is called dopamine. Now here's the dangerous part. The more dopamine you get from easy things, the harder normal things feel. So studying, which once felt normal, now feels painful. You delay your work because you don't feel like starting. Then deadlines come closer, stress increases, now your brain feels overwhelmed. So what do? You avoid again, and the loop continues. Delay, stress, avoid, repeat. Most students try this. I'll study 5 hours today, but your brain rejects it. Too big, too hard. Or you wait for motivation, but motivation is temporary. It comes and goes. That's why you fail again and again. The solution is not motivation. The solution is system. Small, simple, repeatable system. Start with just 20 minutes, not 5 hours, just 20, because starting is the hardest part. Your environment controls your behavior. Phone near you is distraction. Messy table is confusion. So fix your setup. Put phone away, clean your desk, keep only one book, make focus easy. Tell yourself, I will study for only 20 minutes. That's it. No pressure, no stress. And something magical happens. Once you start, you don't want to stop. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Small action equals small success. Small success equals confidence. Confidence equals bigger action. And slowly, your identity changes from I can't focus to I am disciplined. Same person, same brain, same life, but different habits. Before, messy, distracted, stressed. After, focused, calm, confident. The difference? System. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need motivation. You just need to start small and stay consistent. Because in the end, your habits decide your future.